Hey there, fabric enthusiasts and fashion rescuers. Welcome to Patch Perfect, where vegetables meet fashion. I'm your host, and today we're going to transform your son to enclose with wait for carrots. Not actual carrots. That would be weird and eventually smelly. We're talking about adorable carrot patches that will have people asking, is that Bugs Bunny's wishlist on your jeans? So you've got that favorite pair of jeans with a hole in the knee. Well, maybe a plain jacket that's about as exciting as watching paint dry. Don't throw them away. That's what fast fashion wants you to do. They're probably twirling their villainous mustaches right now. Instead, grab your needle and thread, and let's add some root vegetables to your wardrobe. Now, you might be wondering, why carrots? Well, why no carrots? They're colorful, recognizable, and nobody's allergic to carrot fabric. Plus, it's way easier than trying to embroider an anatomically correct eggplant. Trust me on this one. First, we'll need some orange fabric. Any shade will do, from subtle sunset to traffic cone shake. And some green fabric for the tops, because a carrot without its leafy green top is just an orange torpedo. Now, trace your carrot shape. Don't overthink this. Carrots in real life come in all shapes and sizes. Nature isn't a perfectionist. If your carrot looks more like a sweet potato, just call it abstract art and move on with your life. Cut out your shapes carefully, or recklessly. I'm not the scissor police. Position your carrot over the hole or bring spot on your clothing. This is your moment of creative genius. Should the carrot be standing up, lying down, doing carrot yoga? The choice is yours. Now pin it in place. If you prick your finger, congratulations! You're now officially a seamstress. Thread your needle with a contrasting color if you want your stitches to show. Or match the color if you're boring. I mean, shadow. Begin stitching around the edges. Remember, we're going for handmade charm, not surgical precision. If your stitches look like they were done during an earthquake, that's just part of your unique artistic signature. As you sew, think about how you're participating in a tradition that goes back thousands of years. Except our ancestors probably didn't put carrots on their mammoth-hide pants. Their loss, honestly, and mammoths with carrot patches would have been fabulous. Once you've sewn all the way around, add those leafy green tops, because commitment to botanical accuracy is important in vegetable fashion. You can add some texture lines on the carrot if you're feeling fancy, or if you're trying to avoid other responsibilities. I get it. Now, stand back and admire your work. You've just turned clothing tragedy into root vegetable triumph. The best part, if someone asks why you have carrots on your clothes, you can say profound things like, it's a commentary on the great mindset. Or just tell them you really like carrots. Not everyone appreciates deep fashion philosophy. Don't stop at just one carrot. Create a whole garden on your denim jacket. Become the working farmer's market you were born to be. This technique works for all kinds of clothes. Jeans, jackets, bags, hats. If it's fabric, it can be carrot-feed. And hey, why stop at carrots? The vegetable kingdom is your oyster. Wait, oysters aren't vegetables. The vegetable kingdom is your vegetable. Try radishes, turnips, or beets. Create an entire root vegetable collection that will make any gardener jealous. Your friends will be so impressed or confused. Either way, you'll be making an impression. This is also a great way to hide stains. Spill coffee on your favorite shirt. That's not a stain. It's current real estate. Remember, fashion is about self-expression. And nothing says I contain multitudes like wearing vegetables on your clothes. Plus, you're being environmentally friendly by extending the life of your clothes. Mother Earth high-fives you with her leafy hands. If anyone criticizes your new carrot couture, just remind them that you're basically a fashion revolutionary. Coco Chanel had her little black dress. You have your Carrot Patch jeans. Same energy, different century. And there you have it. From torn to transformed. From monotonous to marvelous. All with the humble carrot. Remember, in a world full of fast fashion, be the slow roasted, hand-embroidered carrot patch you wish to see. Thanks for watching Patch Perfect. Next week, there's a butterfly flying on a sweater. Genius or madness? Stay tuned to find out. Happy sewing, everyone!